You alright, guys? Got some a little gift, shall I say, for the S15. I'll show you now. It arrived yesterday. Got next day delivery, which is really good. I'll show you in the home. It's a set of coilovers from Driftworks. Spot on there. They're loads better than the other ones because the other ones I've got on the car now was all seized here, and this won't even move. So made a little investment. Got some of these. Spot on actually, because with Driftworks you can get 0% APR if you do 6 months. So there's a front. That's another front. Load of rears. But I'm only doing the fronts today. It'll only take me about an hour, something, not even that. But just get it all set up. Just gonna do the fronts, and I'm doing the rears after me MOT because it failed with the coilovers. Something really stupid. But I thought, I'll just buy some new ones. So I've got these. Just gonna do the fronts, get it through its MOT, and then I'll do the rears. So this will be a part video, probably separate few days. But yeah. Let's start with the car. As you can see, these have seen better days. All I literally got to do with the S15 is just you got these two bolts here, and then you've got your free on top, and that's it. So, go back to you when the coilovers off, but I'd say it's pretty damaged. They will do loads better. Let's get them on. Oh, we've got the bolts away. That's pretty easy. Just need to tackle these three now, and then it's off. Spot on. We're all clear. Just state that. That is seized to hell. Wrecked. That's wrecked. But otherwise, it would have been a really good coilover, really. But it's a shame, really. You can't even touch it, so I couldn't even do anything to it. Look at the threads. Let's get one of the big boys on. HSD coilovers. They're gonna be banging. They're gonna be loads better than them ones. Just hopefully it'll be easy for me to install by myself. Never is. Alright, let's get these on. I can't record it like me taking them off road, because otherwise I would, but I ain't got much room and nothing can hold it either. Let's get these ones on, get it bolted up, see how well it looks, and then with these at least I can like lower it and stuff for in the future. We're in lads. It's all sorted. See, look, this is how it should be moving. Everything should be free flowing, obviously until I tighten it down, but the others won't like that. I've just had to adjust the camber, I believe it's the camber, just to set it up as the same as my other coilovers. And just give them a bit of a, what do you call it, copper grease. So it's all done. Just need to bolt this up here, get that sorted on there, and then we're good to go. And that's one side done. Really easy actually. Oh, just attach my brake line, that's it. A lot easier though. Like everything was so easy to come off, and just because you know things have been well greased and whatnot. But that was quite easy, if I'm honest. I just like the way these coilovers are as well. There's just, I don't know, just so free flowing, obviously because they're brand new. But they're going to do the car really well. Really well. Right, we're all set up, and I'm just trying to work out really as to what to set it as, like, for how low to go and everything. I've got about 2 centimetres at the bottom there, and this itself from the very bottom to the top here, just around here, is 9 centimeters. This one here, I've got 2 at the bottom, and then I have 14.5. So I'm gonna get a lot more drop, but my maths ain't great, so I should be. Hopefully, I've got it roughly, you know, right-ish. But we'll see. We'll see. I'll drop it down, leave it there, and we'll just have to see where we are, really. If anything, it's just going to be a bit more lower, but it'll look good either way. Either way. Which is all set up. Wheel on. We're good to go. Hopefully, I can get the next one filmed. I just need to get some copper grease on there, really. I think I'll do that after my MOT. One thing that actually came with these HSD coilovers, which my others have got and these haven't, is for me, I believe, don't quote me, is my ABS line, which is here, and also I've got my brake line here. I've got a part to hold me brake line, but nothing to like bolt in my ABS to, so maybe just have to drill a bit of a hole in the already existing bracket and just have that there. But I don't want to mess up my coilover, so I might just let me dad's mate who does the MOT, just let him do that, just drill it in, make it a bit easier for me. Right, on to the next one. Let's see what it's on. Right, I'll tighten it up. Not a massive difference really, is it? Let's check the other side. You know. That is much lower though, isn't it? What do you think?
I like it.
Still got to go lower though. But for the time being, it's now lowered, only by a bit though. Not as much as us in the rear, but it's alright, not too bad. So we'll lower it a bit more when everything's done. My MOT's all sorted. But fucking hell, see them. And when it's past that, I'll get properly lowering it. But that's not bad for now. Do the rears probably another day. Just wait until obviously it's past. But I don't want to go with my rears too low because I'm going to put 18s on the rear. So it'll be a bit bigger. So I don't need to go too mad. But it's alright.